Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I got this surprise birthday gift from my friend Shelly and I'm so excited because she sent me this birthday gift and my birthday was December 1st and she told me your birthday card is going to be so late. And look how cute this card is. I would have been so happy with just this card, Shelly, but thank you so much for this cute gift and twine. Everything was so packaged so beautifully. And I will insert a photo so you can see. But look at these star sequins, and there is so much embellishments in there, so pretty. And these are pretty sticker sentiments, so pretty for Valentine's Day. So I'm excited for those. So thank you, Shelly. And I will have Shelly's information, her handle on social media down below so you can follow her. She's so talented. I love her coffee cards. Look at this cute squirrel and cake from Colorado Craft Company. So cute. I love it. And I love this company too. So I'm excited for those cups and the tea. I've been drinking so much tea lately. It's so cold. So I want coffee and tea and I love it. And then this one is so fun. I don't have anything like this. So thank you, Shelly. And I was super excited about these solid images as well, like that stamp there. And I just love the sentiments, so thank you. And I can't say thank you enough because what a surprise this was. And Shelly, you've been going through so much and you still thought of me, so sweet. And I'm sending you a big giant hug. And so I had to share a video of what you sent me, and I wanted, like, how cute is that trophy? I don't have any of this stuff. I haven't even seen any of this stuff. Where have I been? This is a sea snail, and you get the die and stencil. You get a die and stencil here, and it's a big giant daisy. So thank you, Shelly. Big hugs to you. Thank you so much for sending me this wonderful gift, and hugs. And thanks for everyone watching.